I just started taping. I haven't been talking at all. Okay, so this is our home graph, and we're going to shift this guy. Are we going to shift it? Now, this is a trick question. Up and down or side to side? What do you think? Up, up. Good, because it's not in the parentheses, right? So we're going to shift this baby up. So watch what I'm going to do. I am literally just going to do this. I'm going to take this and go up 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put a dot there. And on these ones, now my lava line does not change on this one. Because remember, my lava line is right there. I just moved it up. That's all I did. So my shift point is going to now, instead of be 1, 0, it's going to be 1, 3. Is everyone cool there? 1, 3. And my lava line did not move. What is my lava line right there? 0. X equals 0. Okay. On a new little graph, I want you to try one. Are you guys ready? I think you guys could do this. Oh, sorry. Let's try one. Sorry, that was me. That was just too fast. Sorry. Log base 2. I want you to say x minus 2. Give that one a try. Let me put the original on here. Remember, we're just shifting him. And Emma, this time, instead of shifting him up, I am shifting him down.
Oh, wait.
Yep. Yep. Shifting him down because it's not in the parentheses. Give it a try. Sawyer, do this problem.
So what if it is in the parentheses?
We're going to do that next, left and right.
Oh.
Do this problem, please.
So that plus, if it's plus and it's not in the parentheses, it goes up.
Yep, up and down.
Plus
And
or
if
minus
it's
is
in
not
the,
in the parentheses.
right, exactly. And if it's in the parentheses, side to side. Is anyone brave enough to tell me what they got for their shift point? Anyone feeling brave? Down here, yeah? Because I just went down. I just took this and went 1, 2 down. I'm just shifting it down. Because we need some point on there. And since I know all I've done is shift my graph, I'm going to use the same starting point here and just move it down, right? So look what it does. I'm going to do exactly what Cole told me to do. I'm just going to shift it down like that. Looks like my new shift point is at 1, -2, and my lava line still at 0. Okay, here we go. Sawyer, stick with me. Next one's going to get weird. You know what's coming. Log base 2, x minus 3 plus 0. And we do 2 days of this. So if you're not getting it today, don't worry. Tomorrow we just practice this and then we watch the end of the motion. So let me start with, here's the home base. This is our basic one. Just like this. And here's our red lava line right here. That's our lava line. So now here's what we want to remember. In the parentheses goes left and right, but it's naughty. That's why we put it in the damn parentheses, because it's in timeout. So think to yourself, am I going to shift it toward the pirate or am I going to shift it toward the door?
You're probably going to go pirate.
Yes, you're going to go to pirate. Beautiful.
Isn't it already going to the right?
But I'm going to I'm going to move the whole thing over. Does that make sense?
Oh, okay. So you just move the dot right there.
Okay, so here we go. Watch what I'm going to do. 1, 2, 3. I'm shifting the whole thing. 3 jumps over. Here he goes, right there. But watch what happens. One other thing shifts with him. What else shifts with him? Yeah, that lava line, right? Because now it's got to move over with him. So come here, lava line. You are now going to shift with him. Does that make sense? Because if I move him, his new lava line is gonna kind of drag. He's always one off the lava line. He gets damn close to the lava line, but he doesn't touch it. Cecilia? No, just go, that's fine. So here's what our shift point now is at 4, 0, and our asymptote is at 3. You guys ready to try one on your own? Here we go. You got this. I feel confident. Log base 2, x plus 4 plus 0. Give it a try. And there's no homework. So if you're thinking, oh, why does she keep talking? Because once I'm done talking, you're done for the day. Let me throw in that lava line. That's my original. I have an easier time just kind of shifting everything over. Bless you. Bless you again. I swear, everyone's going to get colds. My Thomas has a cold. Caroline has a cold. And I've heard allergies are supposed to be super bad this year because we have that little bit of rain.
The thing I'm confused about is, like, how do we know, like, the next time, say, like, we don't have that starting point?
You always do. That's our home graph. That's just our basic graph right here. This is called the parent graph. That's always our starting place. And then we mess with it, right? So we take the starting graph and say, well, what happens if I add 4 to it, if I move it around?
Was that the starting graph for the other?
The other one looked like this. It just went like, it went, right. Yes. It's going to slide with it, right? It's always one away from it, right? So good question. Guys, Jason's watching me. Almost done. Cecilia asked a good question. That asymptote, that lava line is going to slide with it, right? Because if I just move this guy 4 over, right? So if I take him and I go 1, 2, oh, come here, babe. Come back. 2, 3, 4. Look what's happening if I do it like this. Come here, I'll bring your dot with you. He's touching the lava. That's bad. So the lava line needs to come with him, and the lava line's always 1 away from him. I will also give you another hint. On these ones, yeah, that lava line kind of is in there, but I think it's easier just to look at it. So on this one, our lava line is x. Ooh, that was bad. Let's see about, there we go. Our lava line is x equals 4, -4, and our helping point was at -3, 0. Okay, last problem for the day. And if we can do this, I'm shutting up. I'm happy. Life is good. Here we go. This is hard. We practice this tomorrow. You got this. I feel confident. I will end the day on a good note. Y equals log. Oh my God, here it comes. You know what's coming. Can you do everything? Can you shift it over? Can you shift it up? This is everything. And this is honestly, honey, what you start to do. I know. Yay. Again, for those of you who like, you don't even have to draw it in. That's your helping point. That's your starting point. If you don't want to draw in this guy, you don't have to. Just at least have that dot. That's your home dot. When you have an answer you like, can you share it with a friend and write your shift point down and your asymptote, your lava line? Get your asymptote written down. You knew that was coming. Okay, you guys ready? Here we go. I'm going to move it 2 that way. 1, oops. Here we go. 1, 2. Oh, that's so adorable. And 3 up. 1, 2, 3. There he goes. I'm going to draw in my asymptote, and I always know it's 1 away. The lava is following me, but it's not touching me. It's just getting close. And then I'm going to use this to turn right there. How did you do? Can I see a finger wiggle if people got it right?
100%.
Like more than half of you. You all freaks, this is hard stuff. I got 3,3 for my shift point, and my lava line was at 2. That's it for today. If you would do me please so kindness to clean up a little bit. Tomorrow we'll work on this and we'll watch a movie.
We still know so.
No, it's a lot.
Miss Tarantino, you're still recording. It's to you.
So much good, guys.
Bye, everybody.
I hope
Bye.